Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Fiverr to hire tutors for study abroad subjects. Complete guide step by start by visiting the Fiverr website or opening the Fiverr app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar. Type in keywords related to the subjects you want tutoring for, such as math tutor or language tutor. Press enter to see the list of available tutors. Browse through the search results to find profiles that catch your interest. Take note of the ratings and reviews for each tutor. Click on a tutor's profile to view more details. Read through their description, qualifications, and teaching style. Check the pricing information to ensure it fits your budget. Look at their availability to confirm they can accommodate your schedule. If you have specific requirements, send a message to the tutor using the contact feature. Ask any questions you may have about their teaching methods or experience. Once you've found a tutor that meets your needs, click the Order Now button. Select any additional services they may offer, if applicable. Review your order details carefully before proceeding. Make the payment using one of the available payment methods. After confirming your order, you will receive a message from the tutor. Communicate your study goals and any relevant information about the subjects. Schedule your tutoring sessions according to your convenience and the tutor's availability. Make sure to attend each session prepared with questions and materials. Provide feedback to the tutor after your sessions to help them improve and to aid future learners. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.